Hello everybody, it's Jason with Investing Logically. In this video I'll be talking about one stock that could double in the next 12 months. The stock we're talking about in this video is called Square Inc. Ticker symbol SQ. It's currently trading around $216.64. So what Square does is they combine their software and hardware to allow sellers to turn on mobile and computer devices as a payment option. So for example, it's like PayWave. So there's so when sellers need a payment, they download the Square, I think it's the Square app, and that allows them to set up the payment through Square. So this is an example of Square. This is what you mean by the payments they can do. So you can turn on their software and hardware so that you can pay through your mobile devices or computer devices. So instead of having your card, you just put you have your phone and you can scan it there, like PayWave. So like Square, you can either for this payment you can either swipe your card, or you can tap your card, tap your phone or your computer device even. But how Square makes money is they charge a fee on these payments. So another way Square makes money is they have I think around October last year they bought approximately 50 million in Bitcoin. So that means they can make money through Bitcoin. So every time Bitcoin rises, they make money, but if it decreases Bitcoin, they actually lose money. But the thing about this is that Bitcoin isn't their only source of making money. It's also their cash. So if a customer buys Bitcoin through their Cash App, they also make money. So Bitcoin just plays a little bit of their revenue. So that just gives you a general idea what they do. Because we've seen in the past Bitcoin surged a lot in 2020, so maybe there could be another surge this year, but who knows? It is speculative, so no one knows. So we can see here that in quarter 2 and quarter 3 in 2020, they had beat their estimates in their earnings, so that's a positive sign. I would expect in Q4 earnings this year, which is February 24, their earnings will also increase, because we're seeing with cryptocurrency around November to December, for the Cash App gross profit from 281 million to 385 million, which is also a positive for Square. The main thing is their total net revenue. So from Q2 to Q3, they went from 1.92 billion in revenue to 3.03 billion, which is a good move. So back in September 30, 2019, they had a total net revenue of $3,471. But September 30 of last year, they had a total revenue of $6,338,608, which is almost double. Their total assets is $8,140,276, and their total liabilities is $6,051,441, which means they're not in debt. They have enough assets to cover their liabilities. We can see their long-term debt is $1,758,611. They have $2,108,808 in cash, so that's enough to pay their long-term debt. They have a average price tag of 25.04 cents, which is a 3.8 upside from its current price. So they have 19 buy ratings, 12 holds, and 2 sells. So that's pretty good actually. 3 analysts had rated the stock at a buy, and 2 had rated it at a hold. These price targets for these analysts range from 200 to 260. There is only one analyst who rates it at $200, which is a minus 7.68% downside. In my opinion, I think this stock can easily double. Okay. So if you look at Square, the Square stock today, it's down 2.8% on the day. On the week, it is down 6.24%, but on the year, it's up 204.01%. This is just a correction for the massive upside, people taking profits, and because Bitcoin is taking a massive correction right now. So to me, this is a great buying opportunity, because we buy on the dip and we ride it up we ride up the wave. Don't go up forever. They're always going to come down after they go up a huge amount. It's down 10% from its highs, so that is not bad. That would be a buying opportunity for us, because right here would be a buying opportunity, because you bought here, would have been up 2.4% already. So to me, right now, if this continues to decrease tomorrow, I would buy it immediately. So if you had $1,000 right now, put your first 250 right now when the market opens tomorrow, no matter what the price, because we believe in the company we buy. Doesn't matter what the price is. When it's tomorrow, just buy it tomorrow, because we believe in the company. You first buy it tomorrow. If it's up, you buy it. If it's down, you buy it. Doesn't matter. So on the next day, if it's down from its original price, put your next $250 on that, because we're going to average down on that. And if it drops even further, you put your last 250 on that. So the first investment we make, we just invest it no matter what the price is, and then if it goes down, we have cash to buy the dip. We'll be ready for the dip, because it's always going to dip. It's not going to ride up forever. Should ride this stock for at least 5 to 10 years, because payment through mobile devices and computer devices is going to be there for the long term. So just keep up to date with the stock. Videos like this, please subscribe and like my video for the YouTube algorithm, and hope you guys enjoy the video.